Hey guys, it's Matt from 360 Investigations, and the next site I had actually said I'd found, and I'm going to go in there. It's just an open area. It's kind of cool. It may still be utilized because it looks like there's a tractor inside, or end of a tractor plow, or whatever it is in there. I'm just going to go in and film it, and I may get asked to leave, I may not. But I want to point something out as I was walking here. I'm going to turn around so you can see the field I had to go across to get to this. I want to point out that if anybody's urban exploring, do this at your own risk. These fields can sometimes contain grates that you can fall through and everything else. So as a precaution, when I was walking over here, I was looking directly at the ground on anything I might find that could be, you know, like serve as a well or whatever it is. So I just want to make people aware that if you're going to go do this, you got to be really careful no matter where you are, even outside. So that being said, let me go in and check it out. Turn my light on here. There we go. In case you need it or not. I still want to be really careful because there could be holes in the ground that you could fall through, so technically that's a problem. So, I mean, just because this machinery is on here, that doesn't mean it's solid. So I just want people to be aware of that and to be careful, okay? I really actually shouldn't be out here without my grappling hook either. That's another issue. See, it's just a little small brick area, so it's kind of interesting to see something like this. Like, this thing is old. I thought this was continually used to maybe do the field out there, but it's not. It's just weird. Oh man, the dirt smells nice in here. It actually does. It's got a nice earthy smell. So let me see here. Again, I'm going to try to do the best I can with the lighting. Well, this is actually kind of cool. It's just out in the middle of nowhere. All right, let's go see what that is. All right, so looks wooden. All right. Oh, it's metal, actually. Wow, this metal is so flimsy, it's ridiculous. All right, so that's just a little abandoned barn I found. It was actually really cool to add to my repertoire. And I'm going to show you the building that I'm going to go check out in a distance. I don't know if you can see it from here, but let me step out of the field. It's that house way down there. It's like at the windows. I don't even know if you can see it from here, but I'm going to go across and check that out. Again, got to be really careful because I got to make sure that I'm not stepping inside the any holes in the ground or anything else. So until I get over this, Matt for 360 Investigations. Hang tight, guys. Hey, it's Matt with 360 Investigations, back with the house that's directly behind me that I said I was going to do. So if you spin the camera around, you can actually see it. And I just want to give a heads up that I'm going to put my respirator on, put the light on, and then get inside. But if since there's 2 floors to this, I don't even know if I can get upstairs, or if I can and I feel the floor is unsafe, I'm not going to be doing it. So sorry guys, you won't be getting up there. I will pop my camera up as high as I can go though. So again, I'm going to put my respirator on, get my light going, and I'll take you inside. Bear with me. Okay guys, I'm inside, so I hope you enjoy the footage. This floor seems to be stable, but as I said, if I feel the floor is unsafe or I don't like the looks of it, I won't be going on it. Enjoy the footage, guys. All right, in case you're wondering what I'm doing, homeless people have a tendency to booby trap stairs, so I'm looking for anything that might be that way, so it's another safety precaution you got to take care of, so bear with me. That's nasty. A lot of people ask me if I find dead animals. Yep, I do. There's one right there. I'm going to stick the camera out the window to get a good view. Okay, so that's it for that investigation. There is another property that I'm going to go check out. Well, two of them, so please bear with me. And I'll see inside those if I can get in there. Again, the same rules apply. I just have to be really careful about, second floors and things like that. So, see you guys in the next location, so please bear with me. Thanks.